what is a heart sound? The heart sound felt by a stethoscope is caused due to the closure and opening of the valves. The generation of sound is rhythmic. The first sound is louder, that is lub, and of longer duration, 0.16 to 0.90 seconds. It is due to closure of atrioventricular valves at the beginning of the ventricular systole. The second sound is of shorter duration, that is dub, which is 0.10 seconds. It is caused at the end of ventricular systole by the closure of semilunar valve. The heart beats at the rate of about 72 to 80 times per minute in adults. The ventricular systole causes a wave of distension in the arteries due to blood flow. It is called as atrial pulse.